everyone, it's Reagan with the Doherty Real Estate Group here at the Mission Viejo Farmers Market, and today I am here with Sandy. Say hi.
Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Sandy. I'm the owner of Sandy's Kitchen LLC.
Beautiful. Well, thank you so much for being here, Sandy.
Thank you so much.
And today we are going to be talking about what you sell here at the farmers market. So tell us, what do you sell at Sandy's Kitchen?
Yeah, because I'm still at my home. I make granola for my family because my daughter loves granola, and always I'm looking for products very clean, with clean ingredients, organic ingredients. And my daughter and me are a granola person, and I make my own granola. And my friends say, "Oh, it's very good, your granola. Can you make for me?" So sure, and I start to sell my friends, my family, and my neighbors.
That's awesome. And how long have you been doing this now?
1 year and a half.
Okay, very cool. And I know you were telling me earlier that they're gluten-free, right?
Yeah, because when the people come ask, "Oh, do you have gluten-free?" Right now, all is gluten-free. Yeah, we change the ingredients for gluten-free.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And I know a lot of people around here love gluten-free and need gluten-free, so that's very cool.
Yeah.
And what makes you so different from other granola from the grocery store, things like that?
Because my granola is homemade, with love. I made for my family. The difference is the ingredients, because it's very clean. It's organic ingredients. It's very clean. It's simple, just almonds, just seeds, avocado oil. It's good.
Yeah.
Gluten-free oats, cinnamon. And that's it. It's very clean.
I love it. Which is your favorite? I know you have different flavors. Which is your favorite?
Yeah, my favorite is maple and nuts, but my husband's favorite is the coconut pecans, and the best seller is coconut pecans.
Okay, good to know.
My custom says they love with yogurt in the morning, with fruit in the smoothie, the top in the French toast, in the salad too, in the topping. But just a snack.
What is your favorite way to use it?
With yogurt in the morning, strawberry and blueberries.
Oh, very good. That's amazing. So what else do you want people watching the video to know about your business here?
Come to Mission Viejo on Ladera Ranch in Costa Mesa, and we have free samples for you. I promise I love you. It's very clean. It's delicious. Try my granola.
Amazing. Well, thanks so much, Sandy. So where else can people find you? You said Mission Viejo, Ladera Ranch, and Costa Mesa.
Costa Mesa at the first Fridays.
Beautiful. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
And we'll have all your information down below so they can check you out. And thank you everyone for watching, and thank you. We'll see you next time.